All right, here I am at the Madison Central Library, and we're going to talk a little bit about using your feet and some of the upper extremity expressiveness that we did today in class. The footwork is important. So why is it important? It's practicing controlling your foot as it pushes off the ground and lands on the ground. And we can use dance to practice this. If you can control the way your foot hits the ground, if you come across an object and you begin to feel it while you're coming down, then you can change your direction. Then you might not trip or fall on that object. Changing directions quickly, if you're going through your foot meaningfully, slowly, intentionally, whether you're reaching back or stepping forward or pressing off the back foot, you're going to be stronger for any time you need control of your feet and your ankles, and that is good for fall prevention, and that is good for balance. So we like smooth dances like the tango to help us practice that in a really fun way. So what we're going to do is stand with one foot in front of the other. Let's take the left foot in front if we're stepping forward on our slow with the tango. So what we want to do is let's stand on the right, get that left foot ready as if we just did the close. I'll stand back a little bit. And then we reach with our heel and roll through heel, ball, toe. As we push off the back, heel, ball, toe. We really drive with that back foot, then come on back. Push and roll. And that's how we want to glide forward without every step that we take forward. Slow. And really press your weight over that front foot. As we go backward, we'll want to do reaching back with the toe and go toe ball heel. Toe ball heel, pushing through the front foot. So we can practice that. If we are ready with our right foot, as if we're the follower and we're ready to reach backward after a close, slow. And I'm pushing off the front foot, rolling through the back foot. Try that again. Slow. Quiet feet, intentionally rolling through every piece of it. Then, what we did with the instruction of Libby, when we are doing our basic steps, when you take your step with this side, the left side, I'll show you coming toward you. You're gonna take the right part of your chest and face it toward that leg. Whatever leg is in front, rotate your trunk. Not your bottom half, you're just rotating the upper half. Slow, and then switch. Slow, and then we could do tango, close. And so we're ending with opposite shoulder and hip, kind of coming together. And if we go backward, it would be similar. Whatever foot is in front, we're going to turn toward. So slow, slow, tango, close. Whoops. And just play with that. This is what our ballroom instructor Krista likes to call stylish walking. Tango as stylish walking, because when we emphasize normal walking, which is opposite arm, opposite leg, we get stronger through the center, through our connection between our hips and our shoulders, in the back and the front. So let's try it together with the left foot. 8 count basic, rotating. Slow, slow. Tango, close. Again. Slow, slow. Tango, close. You can just walk it around the house. This does count for your 3 hours of balance practice because you're walking in a skinny way. You're doing intentional walking. You're using the strength of your ankles. You're doing 2 things at once. Practice, practice, practice. Enjoy it, have fun with it, play with it. The last thing that Abby, Jess, and Katie were teaching us were when we were having passing lines on our tango close, is to take a really big side step. So practicing that big side step helps with strengthening the side hip for balance. If we ever need to catch ourselves sideways, It also helps with quickly moving out of the way of an object if needed, and challenging yourself to get out of the center. That's very helpful for our brains and our whole body to practice balance. So it's like a sideways skate. So you can practice tango, close, big. All those little things you can bring into those basic steps to make them fun and interesting. Enjoy. We'll see you next week.